Now, whenever we are chatting with people online, the people we meet online may not be the same person whom we are chatting. So people online may not be who they seems to be. So we have to be very careful while we are doing chatting with the person in a chat room. Chat rooms are an area of the web where you need to be most careful. It is easy to forget that you are in public place and you don't necessarily know the true identity of anyone in the room. That means if I'm talking to certain XYZ person, I don't know the true identity of that particular person. He has just met me online and I started chatting with him or her in a chat room. So we have to be very careful while we are doing chatting in the chat rooms. Now, as seen over here, this is a small sweet girl, and over here this person is behaving as an hacker, or it can be any other person. The girl is just chatting with an unknown person, and the unknown person is just trying to get the identity of the sweet girl who's chatting online, sweet little girl who's chatting online. So we have to be very, very careful whenever we are chatting online in the chat box or in the chat rooms. First, we should know the actual identity of the person. Only after knowing the actual identity of the person, we can communicate with the person.